Everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Shields McEwen, and you are watching Carolina Custom Homes with Shields.
All right, guys, so first of all, thank you for clicking on this video. This morning I'm over here in Mooresville, North Carolina. Going to be taking you through this stunning Sparta plan this morning. We've got an absolutely beautiful front porch. This is a 6x30 raised roof or saddle roof front porch. I just love the stonework there. Absolutely beautiful. And then not only do we have that incredible front porch, we've also got an attached garage today and a deck off the back, okay? So like I said, this is a 6x30 raised roof or saddle roof. Those two triangles on top are completely decorative. So you can kind of customize that saddle roof porch once you go that direction. And I've already pointed it out, but the stonework is absolutely beautiful. You could do vinyl wrap, just treated lumber, pickets and posts there. Look at the stonework on those steps. Kind of tying it all in, very, very nice. All right, so I do want to take the time to walk around this house today to show you that garage and that deck on the back. Let me back up a little bit so you can see that garage tying into the house from back here. Really, really good looking there. So the Sparta consists of 1,825 square feet. It's a 3-bed, 2-bath plan. It's got a rear loading utility room which sets up nicely for this rear loading garage. So although the garage is off the back of the house, the garage door is still off the side. So I throw a lot of people off when I say we're going to do the garage off the back. They think the garage door will be like facing the back. I mean, it could, but you just build the garage off like this, put the garage door on the side, there you go. Works out really good. Notice the black gutters and downspouts complementing that white siding. The white siding is one of Nationwide's included 5 colors for your siding options. And then there is your uncovered deck. I would like to point out, look at all the transom windows this customer added. So when you come see our Sparta lot model there in Burlington, we show a ton of transom windows. This customer obviously elected to go that direction as well. You can actually see that raised portion of the roof. I don't know if you'll be able to see it on the screen, but here in person you can. Gives the house a lot of texture. All right, so let's jump in here and take a look. As you enter the front door, you're going to be greeted by a really nice and big open concept. When you open the front door to your left, you've got a very convenient, handy coat closet for storage. And then to my right is going to be your dining area. A very nice sized dining area. You could fit a ton of people there at the table. And then that opens up into your very large living room, and then your big island kitchen. Check it out. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. All right, so I'm turning around now to the living room. I want to show you this fireplace. Check that out. So this home today is featuring the 9-foot ceilings. The exposed beams are optional in any plan, any room. There are different colors. When you elect to do the stonework like this with the fireplace, you can run the stone all the way to the ceiling. You can stop it halfway there like this customer elected to do. You've seen shiplap, you've seen wood burning, you've seen the electric insert look. You've seen it all, so you know all those things are in play. But I absolutely love the way this fireplace came together, complementing the beams up there. And it's just, the Sparta is hard to beat. I mean, this main space is really nice. I will point out something a little unique about this plan. Notice the living room's off the back. Most of the plans, the living room's on the front. So what that allows you to do is kind of, you know, work in all this glass coming into that living room. So it's just a really nice plan. And there's your deck off the back. When you elect to have us build you something off of these back doors, obviously you've seen screened in porches, covered porches, uncovered decks. So it is all in play. On to the kitchen. A few things I would point out today. Number one, this customer elected to remove the structural column that is generally where my fingers are running, okay? It's about a $1,500 option to remove. What we're gonna do is run an LVL across this opening here. So you've seen a few videos with the post and a few without, so I would notice that. Nationwide's included white cabinets. Any of Nationwide's islands are gonna have the double pot and pan drawer, and that corner cabinet is gonna have a Lazy Susan. So any corner cabinet has that, and then any island's got the double pot and pan drawer. Absolutely beautiful white porcelain sink. So this is something you can get into. We've got the black sinks now. There's your white sink. You've got your stainless steel, 50/50, single bowl, you name it, we got it. Notice the undermounted switches and outlets. So typically when you elect to do a backsplash, we like to undermount those outlets and switches to make that backsplash nice and clean. And then on top of that, this customer did add the under cabinet lighting. Not a huge cost, but it's a nice little touch. And then here is that Sparta walk-in pantry. Just a solid walk-in pantry here. Notice the premium shelving, the wood shelving in the pantry today. Tons of space. Great pantry. And then to my right is kind of your appliance area. You've got your fridge, you've got your spot for the microwave nook. You've seen the microwave shelves in the pantry. You've seen mounted microwaves, all that stuff. And then I did want to show you the floor plan one more time. So 1,825 square feet. When comparing this to our lot model or the original Sparta, this customer did mirror flip the plan, okay? So as you saw at the beginning of the video, the garage kind of needed to be on that right side, so they flipped the plan left to right to get the utility room back on the right side to tie into that garage. It is hard to beat all that glass. I mean, look at all the natural light coming in. All right, so I'm gonna start with the master suite, which is to our left. What I like about this master suite is you do have this little buffer area. You're not walking directly into the bedroom, which is nice. Another trade ceiling in this master bedroom. So the past few videos have had this, but this is a fairly affordable option that can add some detail to that master suite. Very nice touch. Again, you could run the beams in here too if you wanted to go that direction. And then just like our lot model, they elected to do the barn door, always popular barn door leading into that master bath. What you're seeing today is that 4x8 shower. They ran the white cabinets all throughout the home today. You will notice the granite tops are featured throughout the home today as well. You've got your water closet to the left. There's an exhaust in there as well. And then, just like our model, they are accessing the closet from the master bath with a pocket door. okay? Pocket doors are a nice option to kind of save that floor space and something we can always kind of work in, okay? Really good size closet. Basically, the original Sparta, you access the closet from there and not here. I'll kind of point that out as I walk out again, but just remember we've kind of customized the entrance to the closet. And here's that, again, that 4x8 shower, the largest of the 3 nationwide shower options. Notice the transom window, the soap box, the permanent built-in bench. You got your handheld there, got your wine up to, or handheld there, and your rain head up top. We put them on different diverters too, so you don't have to turn on all the heads at once. They're on separate diverters there. All right. We're going to go across that main space and check out the spare bedrooms and utility. And like I said, the original Sparta floor plan, you actually access the closet from here. So that's just, whatever you prefer really. It's not going to change the price dramatically one way or the other. All right. To my right is going to be bath 2. Just a good old tub shower combo. We do have an oversized tub shower combo that you're going to see featured in a lot more of my videos moving forward. It is a very affordable option to give you just a beefier bath 2 insert here. You could always elect to take that out and do a true, stand-up shower if you want to go that direction with it. I absolutely love the black frame mirrors. They're really making these granite tops or quartz tops pop, kind of drawing that black out of them. Really good look. Nationwide's included 2-panel doors, lever handles. All the finishes are brushed nickel today. You've seen a ton of videos lately with the black trim package where all the finishes are black. They just stuck with the included brushed nickel. Bedroom 2, and what I love about the Sparta is all 3 bedrooms have walk-in closets. All the trim, the base molding, the door casings, the crown molding, all that is real pine. And that is the included size as far as the measurements on that base molding and crown molding. All right, so here's your utility room. They set it up very similar to our model in the sense of, to my left is going to be a storage closet. Got your washer and dryer hookup area there. And then we did have to put a fire rated door. Anytime we put the garage off that utility, code is going to call for a fire rated door. And that is going to access this 24x24 2-car garage. So typically when we do a garage, we're going to include a window, an exterior door, the garage door and the motor. Obviously, I didn't point it out when we were walking around outside, but we got a little 4-foot skirt extending outside of the garage for you to kind of run your driveway into. There's your scuttle hole up there. And you can take these things as far as you want to. Some people elect to go ahead and insulate and sheetrock all 4 sides. Code only calls for the side touching the house to be insulated and fire rated. You could do separate, multiple garage doors, bigger garages, storage trusses with an attic access pull down. So that's all stuff to think about. And then let's check out this last bedroom, bedroom 3. I think the original plan actually has that window off the back, but obviously that would be looking into the garage. So we shifted that around a little bit. And there's your fold out ladder to access the storage attic up there. All right, guys, so again, this was a Sparta with an attached garage, a beautiful front porch, a deck off the back. The Sparta consists of 1,825 square feet. It is going to consist of an optional front porch, so don't think that front porch is included with the Sparta, but at the same time, if you want to change it, you can. You can do whatever you want to off the front and the back of the Sparta, okay? Thank you guys for all the views. If you haven't already subscribed, please do so. Put out new videos every Monday and Thursday at 4:30 Eastern Time. Thank you guys. Take care.